It's so good to have you here with me. My name is Mary Mathray, and I'm a professional accountant with Accountant and Associates. Good to have you here. Welcome to our segment on how to manage my small business. Today, we will be covering how to manage cash flow. This is a very important topic for all kinds of businesses. It doesn't matter what size you are. It could be an individual, it could be, hey, you operate it from the trunk of your car or your basement a couple of hours a week. That's okay. Or maybe you've gone to that stage where you rent an office space and you have one employee or 10 to 15 employees. The tips that we share today is relevant across the board. Okay, so we've covered that. Great. So you're selling, your sales have increased when you compare this month to the prior month, and business looks good. However, you find that your business is still strapped for cash. There's still not enough cash to cover your commitments. So the business is struggling. When you look at the bank accounts, the business can't cover its commitments. So, okay, what could be the issue? What is the problem? It's possible that there is a mismatch between the timing in which you receive your payments from your customers and the timing of your commitments. Okay, let's take this for example. Your bills are due in the middle of the month, okay? You have to pay your rent, um, you have to give the kids something for helping you out in the business, you have to pay hydro, and all those good stuff, okay? Um, your customers, therefore, ideally would have to pay you at the end of the previous month. What does that mean? You have to give your customers a heads up so that they could get the monies coming at the end of the previous month. This gives you enough time, enough leeway to plan, to pay your expenses when the middle of the month comes. Okay? You see what I'm saying? So you have enough money coming in between the 1st and the 15th of the month to cover those bills, to cover those expenses. So the business is not left gasping for cash. You get what I'm saying, right? Okay. So when you ensure that your customers bring in those funds, what they owe you, um, between the beginning of the month and the 15th of the month, what are you doing? You're ensuring that there's a balance between the cash that comes in and the cash that goes out. So you're managing your cash flow. Okay, got it? Well, thank you so much for joining me today. And again, my name is Mary Mathray, and I work with Accounting and Associates. You have an awesome day, and see you next time on how to manage my business.